I'm sorry for not taking a moment to recognize the very first miracle of the day. Y'all, our first breath is the miracle. Do you understand? We so often ask God for so many things. God, I want a sign. God, I want a miracle. God, I want to see the miracle. Your first breath is the miracle. And here's the question. Does God owe you more than one? Do you know how many people didn't make it? Do you know how many people that the death came knocking at their door and they had to answer? How many people went looking for death